Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Illustory book is probably one of the most creative and fun ways to bring your imagination to life, allowing you to design, illustrate, and publish your very own personalized storybook, complete with unique characters, captivating plots, and stunning visuals, making it a perfect gift or a treasured keepsake, and this video will show you everything you need to know about it. Number 5. Paper Junkie 6-pack hardcover books. These blank books are perfect for young writers and artists. They're great for journaling, drawing, or creating stories. Let your creativity shine. Decorate them with stickers, crayons, or anything you like. They're perfect for school or home. The thick, 120 GSM paper prevents bleed-through, so your work will always look its best. No more messy pages. At 5 by 5 inches, it's easy to carry these books in backpacks or bags. They're the ideal size for little hands. This set includes 6 blank books, giving you plenty of space to explore your imagination. Get ready to fill them with stories and drawings. What we like. It has blank pages for free creativity, and you can decorate it as you like. Its reliable quality prevents bleed-through. If you are looking for a cost-effective and customizable option for kids to unleash their creativity, this is the one for you. What people say. Good size. Not too overwhelming for size. We were able to make vinyl stickers for the front of these books to customize them. We made them into autograph books for our Disney cruise. Custom autograph books can be expensive, so this was an affordable DIY and bread quality book paper. These are a perfect activity to bring on vacations and to remember some funny moments with kids. We take pictures, print them for our books, and write a sentence or two about the fun day. Number 4. Illustory Create Your Own Book. Have you always dreamed of seeing your story in print? Now you can create your own professionally produced book with Illustory. It's easy and fun to design your book, whether you're 6 or 60. Illustory makes the process simple and enjoyable for all ages. Share your illustrations and story with us. You can mail them in or create them directly online using our intuitive tools. We'll transform your creations into a beautiful, high-quality book you'll cherish for years to come. It's a keepsake you can be proud of. Illustory is perfect for everyone. Unleash your creativity and bring your imagination to life, regardless of your age. Don't just dream it, create it. With Illustory, publishing your own book is easier than you think. What we like. It offers a professional book production process, making creating your own book easy and fun for all ages. If you dream of seeing your story in print, this will make it a reality. What people say. My granddaughter loves to write stories and draw. She has already completed the book and she promised to order enough copies to give her grandmothers a copy. We have a little writer in the family that absolutely loved this activity. Not only does she love writing, but this taught her how to put the whole thing together with pictures to represent the words and parameters on how many words could be on a page. You would think the word number would be a bad thing, but it actually made her story more concise and gave her some boundaries. We have already ordered another one and I'm sure she'll want to keep going. Purchased as a gift, nice craft kit for my granddaughter. Number 3. Comic book creator. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own comic book? Now you can, easily and quickly. It's super easy to get started. Choose from our wide variety of templates and customize it to your liking. Bring your imagination to life. Add unique characters, each with their own personality and style. Craft the perfect layout. Arrange your panels to tell your story in a dynamic and engaging way. Let your creativity flow. Write captivating dialogue and descriptions to bring your comic to life. Make your characters talk. Add speech bubbles and captions to enhance the storytelling. It's your comic, your way. Select from various art styles to match your vision. Once you're happy with your creation, easily share it with the world. What we like. It's designed for creating your own comics, making it easy and fun for aspiring comic book creators. If you are looking for a fun and creative way for kids to express themselves, this is a great option. What people say. He was excited to have the individual drawing boxes with areas for the conversation between his comic characters. He really spent a lot of time with the book and creating. Perfect gift for him. The paper quality ID good, it has different layouts, and the pages are big enough to hold his ideas. Number 2. Illustory Book Making Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with Illustory. It's the award-winning bookmaking kit that lets them write and illustrate their very own story. This updated version includes a helpful writing guide, making it even easier for young authors to bring their imaginations to life. Everything you need is included: templates, markers, and even a postage-paid envelope to get it professionally printed. Your child will be so proud of their full-color, 20-page hardcover book. It's a keepsake they'll cherish forever. It even lets your child be showcased as the published author on the back cover. What a wonderful way to celebrate their accomplishment. Illustory is a 2017 Mom's Choice Gold Award recipient. You know it's a high-quality and engaging product for your child. The kit is simple and intuitive, guiding your child through the process of writing and illustrating their own book. It's fun and educational. What we like? It allows for full-color printing and includes 20 pages, even showcasing you as the author. If you want a high-quality, professionally printed book with a personal touch, this is perfect for you. What people say. The writing guides were easy for him to follow and was a fun way to practice writing skills. He enjoyed illustrating and putting together his story and waited with excitement for the final product. Great quality and such a fun memory. They produce a quality gift for a wide range of kids. Kids get to be creative and see their work become a book. Fun and learning hand in hand. Number 1. Blank comic book for kids. It's a blank comic book designed for kids to create their own amazing stories. Let their imagination run wild. This comic book is perfect for budding artists and writers. It provides the perfect canvas for their creative adventures. With its blank panels, it allows kids to draw their own characters and design their own unique comic book. It offers a fun and engaging way for children to develop their storytelling skills and improve their drawing abilities. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. The high-quality paper ensures that drawings and writings look their best. It's durable enough to withstand plenty of creative adventures. It provides hours of entertainment and creative expression. It's a great way to keep kids busy and engaged. What we like? It provides blank pages for creating your own comic book or graphic novel. If you are looking for a blank canvas to bring your comic ideas to life, this is the one for you. What people say. He's got the first one full, so need to order another. Very nice. This is a sturdy, thick book. You will draw, write in it and fill as its pages with the comic book style inserts. This is great to be creative as you storywrite, spell, draw, create. There are lots of pages and the boxes are pre-drawn. There is a page in the back with thought and speaking bubbles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.